Guys, welcome to Code with Pound channel. In this video, we will see how to convert any video to audio file using MoviePy package in Python. First of all, we need to download the package MoviePy from the Python packages. So we need to search that what are the package we need to download. That one we need to search it here. As I already downloaded this package, it's not showing the download option here. So let us minimize this menu. Later we need to mention the file path whichever we want to convert. So here I'm just mentioning the file path of the blank space video. This file I want to convert to audio file, so I'm just storing that value in the input path variable. Then after we need to mention the file path where we want to store that audio file. So this is the path I have given. For that I'm just storing that in the output path variable. Then after we need to pass the input path variable to the video file clip, so that it will get the content of that video and we will store that in the video variable. Then after we need to convert that video to audio using that package. So here that conversion will happen and I'm just storing that in the audio. Then after we need to write that audio file into this path, what are the path we have mentioned here. So into that path it will be saved. So in the exception block I just I'm printing error if something goes wrong in this block of code. So that's it. So let me run this code. Then it started running. Yeah, I think it's download. It's converting that video to audio file. It seems we will see after it's completed to 100%. Yeah, that's it, guys. I think we have converted video to audio successfully. It seems it's saying done from the package itself. So we will cross check whether we are able to convert to the audio file or not. So for that we need to go to this path. Let me open the file explorer where I have given. So see guys, this is the path I have given in the code for the output path video to audio output.mp3. So if you see here, so in the exactly same path we have downloaded that output.mp3. So let us open it. We will see whether we got the proper format or not. Let me open this file. We will see whether it's converted to audio file or not. I'm just opening that file. We'll see. I think it's running. Yes, guys, I think we have successfully converted the video to audio file using a MoviePy package in Python. That's it, guys. In this video, within 2-3 lines of code, we have converted the video to audio file using MoviePy package. So if you want to do any sort of conversion to audio file within simple steps, we can do like this. That's it, guys, for today. If you guys like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Code with Pound channel. If you guys missed out last my video on downloading Instagram profile picture, user stories and user post, please do check it out on the channel and don't forget to subscribe the channel and please hit the bell icon for the getting the notifications of this channel. That's it, guys. Thank you all.